Hey guys, today I got a 2019 Lexus ES350. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light after an oil change. No special tools are needed, it's just everything is on the steering wheel right over here. So first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition on, not to the start position, to the on position. When all the dash lights come on, make sure you do not depress the brake pedal, otherwise it will start. So we're gonna use these buttons right over here and the back button right over here. So back button first, press the right till you get to the settings menu. Then you're gonna get to this menu right over here. It was already pulled up, but I'm gonna show you it's all the way at the bottom usually. Vehicle settings, press OK. Scheduled maintenance, press OK. Reset data, yes, and it's been reset. Now press the back button again and go back to the regular menu. If you don't see the maintenance light, I mean it's been reset. Just to confirm, we're going to turn the ignition off, open and close the door, and then start the vehicle. And no message. So this confirms the light's been reset. So easy as that. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe. Thank you.